Hello everybody, I want to show you with this video how you can change the language at the Samsung Galaxy A55 5G. First of all, let me tell you, whatever language you have on your phone right now with whatever letters, the symbols and the positions I will show you here in that tutorial video will be always the same. Okay, let's start now with the settings. For that, just scroll down here and then you will find always here at the corner the symbol for the settings. Just tap on it. Now scroll down and check out for the general management. It is here. You will find usually a gray icon with some white stuff to adjust in it in front. Let's tap on it. Now we will need the first point, language. And may you are having here a little list like in my case. And if your language is part of that list, just tap on your language, in my case Deutsch, so German, go on the blue button to apply, and then you are having your language here. But what if your language is not part of the list, or if you don't have a list? Let me show you what to do. Let me turn it first back into English. Okay, what to do if your language is not part of the list? Go here on the green plus symbol to add a language. And now you can choose from many languages. Yeah, but let me continue here with English that you can follow the video better. Where it is? Here it is. Then tap on it. Okay, and at the second step, you have to choose a local dialect. Now, let's take the dialect here, dialect from the Bahamas, pretty nice islands, and go on set as default, so the most white one. And then directly English with the dialect of Bahamas, in my case, is here the language of this phone. Yeah, I hope I could help you with this video and answer your question. And yeah, maybe if you want, you can leave me a nice comment or give me some thumbs up. That would be very helpful for my videos. Thank you so much for. And yeah, I've created also some other videos if you're interested in with some more tips and tricks and so on. Or you can also subscribe me if you haven't done it before. Thank you so much for your support, and yeah, maybe until next time. Ciao.